big one, of course, and you go ahead and put it in that place.
District 11 and 1015 and dispatch to your location.
10-4, thank you. 3547 West Avenue, 38 or 1037. Broadway headed east, car 55. We're just off on 55.
That's correct, F1.
Passenger vehicle, following. Diesel 140.
Diesel 140.
On Bridgeport.
Coming up on Bridgeport.
Careful as you direct. Yeah, so we got eyes on, we can't call it right now though. Past Bridgeport, on the 145.
Past Bridgeport, 140.
1022 once you get to the superstructure. We're just behind the superstructure, we're right on top of it. 538 right behind them. You want us 1022? Yeah, if you're under the superstructure, right at the state line. Simple.
Queen Paul Robert 2.
1022.
Queen Paul Robert Tom 1 John 2. Queen Paul Robert Tom 1 John 2. Forest City, just for your record, it's Queen Paul Robert Tom 1 John 2. Queen Paul Robert Tom 1 John 2. It's a drive out. I can't tell what state it is.
Okay, the Tennessee drive out thing.
10-4, return please.
So what we're here is on this we get contact with the MEMPHIS or CHP people.
Airport.
Forest City also, it looks like it's got a bullet hole in the back trunk of it.
Airport, can you give me a location for Memphis?
It's right south right now. One of the lights, I can't see the maps, you can get close. You got still got 2 units behind it.
I'm unable to turn around at the moment. We're in this concrete wall. I'm still behind it.
He's behind traffic. Quick concrete wall is not going anywhere. Okay, he just took off again. We just took this exit turn around. The exit was that. Exit, he continued on. Oh, that's Forest City.
10-4.